And good afternoon. Well, I have, as they say, breaking news. Yes, it's just started to rain here in London, and that's the first time for a long, long time, so blow the dust and the cobwebs off your umbrellas. As I'm sure you're well aware, August certainly has been, well, virtually no rain across England and Wales, and we had those record high temperatures earlier on in the month. But it's all changed now. We're in for some pretty heavy rain, more particularly across southern parts of the country, right the way through the rest of the day and into Friday, as a matter of fact. Welcome news for gardeners, but perhaps one or two problems on the roads, as we'll see in a minute. The reason for all the rain, we've got a squeeze taking place. We have weather fronts coming down from the north, we've got one trying to come up from the south, and in the process we're going to find a lot of cloud and rain squeezed out. And after all that's happened, northerly winds set in, and that means to say we're going to get some pretty chilly weather, I think, into the weekend, especially at night, not necessarily during the day. Get a bit of shelter. The sun's still warm at this time of year. We started off fairly quiet and fairly dry. There were showers running into northern Scotland, but probably you noticed the way that band of cloud and rain has shot up. That one too. We've also got some around the southeast and through the English Channel. So three areas of rain with us at the moment. The whole lot's going to merge together in one. So if you do get some of this heavy rain after the recent long dry spell, some of those roads will be really slippery, so do take care. The rain that we have at the moment through parts of Northern Ireland and southern Scotland, the northernmost parts of England too, will tend to ease away. It'll be brightening up there, and then those areas I think will become mostly dry. Some fairly heavy showers packing into the north of Scotland, and all the while in central and southern areas the rain getting heavier, the outbreaks more widespread, and eventually you could even get one or two rumbles of thunder mixed in with that rain as well. And as the northerly wind begins to pick up and the rain sets in, I think it's going to be feeling decidedly chilly in many places, 15 or 16 for instance at best there in northern areas of England. If you're still trying to see Mars, a disappointing night again tonight, as it was last night, at least across most parts of the country, but of course bear in mind you've got quite a long time before it finally fades away. Best chance I think is probably Northern Ireland, the southwest of Scotland, some good breaks in the cloud there, but the north and east of Scotland, northeast England, will continue to have showers through the night, and further south that wet weather lasting well into the morning, in fact well into the day, as we'll see in a minute. Temperatures, nothing really to worry us about. So we start off in the southeastern half of the country, dull and wet tomorrow, still some fairly heavy rain. That'll only creep away very slowly. In fact, it's going to be into the evening probably before it finally clears the extreme southeast. Once it does so, a brighter picture with just one or two showers, but some pretty heavy showers in the north and east of the country, not so many in the west, and if nothing else I think you'll notice that chilly northerly breeze. That's all for now.